Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you update YouTube on Android. So in order to update YouTube on Android, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you need is a internet connection and make sure that your device is completely up to date. Now then, to begin with, open up your App Store or your Play Store and on the search bar type in YouTube. So when you locate YouTube here, you could find the application. If you could see update just like mine, just click the update button. It might take a while in order to completely update your YouTube on your Android device. So all you need to do is just make sure to wait patiently until it is completely updated. And to update available, to see all the updates app within an updated, or to update all the app, just tap on update all. So what you would do is just go ahead and click on the initials from the top of the page, and then you could go to manage apps and devices, go to manage section and click on update available. As you could see, these are the applications that needs to be updated, and this is how you could update YouTube on Android. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.